Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Friday, happy 10:06. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start today. If you pick you wants the drama, play the gossip on TV. Udidi had a voice and went straight to bed. So, guys, I think Obigi should play the gossip of King Wanda, Ashe, and Don talking about Liema, thinking she's the Beyonce of the house. Guys, so today Ubiki is rolling out the gossip, guys. The first sound, it was Didi, Tracy, Liema discussing King Wanda and Deone dating, guys. They were saying it is alleged Udone and King Wanda, they are dating. The only person who went there, it was Thandeka, guys. Udidi was like, I'm not gonna listen to this because I can hear my voice. For my mental health, I'm gonna stay out of this. So for the second gossip, it was King Wanda and Ashe. They were discussing Otandeka, saying Otandeka, she's not a good person. She needs to leave, and wanting to be praised for giving him the MC gig when she wasn't the one. Ashe saying that the housemaid voted for him to be the MC, not Otandeka. Guys, they are tired of Tandeka. She needs to leave. Yes, Tandeka did listen to that, guys, and Ashe was just singing, acting as if everything is fine. One thing about Ashe, guys, he loves to gossip, but when it comes to take accountability, I feel like Ashe, guys, he likes to talk. It's just that he doesn't want people to find out, and people are saying, Ashe, he's playing a dangerous game. They are so tired, guys. They're already chosen an alliance. Imagine now in this group and you find out people are talking about you. People have been saying this about you, especially Liam. So we're gonna find out who Ashe, he has been saying you don't deserve to be in top 5. I guess Sana Zizo Kalak. About Didi, she's Liema's handbag, and nothing is gonna come between the two, guys. They are bestie, Even though Liema wins the 2 million, I don't think with Didi she will have a problem, guys. So Didi thinks this is a group assignment. One thing I love about Didi, she's so confused. She's focusing on Liema, and people are making fun. The fans is like Liema, they're making fun of the Banana girls. I was so surprised. I was like, you guys, I thought you guys like this girl, and people are saying, right now we love the Liema because right now she's making them to focus on how we're going to vote for Liema and to win the 2 million rand. But anyway, guys, one thing about Biggie, guys, they should just leave the radio, guys. The housemates are tired. So it is a day. Tell me in the comment section what they think about it. Say, don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.